everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So I'm actually in a new background today for today's video because all my stuff downstairs is everywhere and there's no way I can film downstairs like an intro and outro like this. So we're just gonna go for it. So, recently I was on YouTube, like I always am, just watching some DIYs, some room decor, some vlogs, everything. And I was watching a girl I'm subscribed to. So, there's a super cool water painting thing where you pour water and paint on the canvas and then you take a straw and you blow it out, and then like you keep on adding colors so it looks really cool. And I thought I would try that today for today's video, or I failed it. So yeah, I just thought that would be kind of fun for today because I don't have anything to do today. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Woo! So, the first step on doing this painting is you're gonna need some kind of canvas or paper or whatever you're doing it on, and then you gotta get paints. I just used like normal acrylic paint because that's the paint I have. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna put the paint in a little Dixie cup and then pour some water in it and then mix it up with either a spoon. I just use the ending of a paintbrush because that will make it like mix together rather than paint water. And then you're just gonna want to start pouring it on the canvas and start blowing the paint around with the straw. And then once you kind of have like the base done, you can start adding more colors and mixing them, and then adding more and mixing them until it's how you like the product. And it's so for the first one, I thought it would turn out a bit cuter, but after looking at it, I actually really like it because it's kind of like pretty colors mixed together that look nice, if you understand what I mean. And then the second one is definitely my favorite because it just turned out like watercolor and it's really cool, and I actually love watercolor. So the third one I thought would turn out a tiny bit different because I held all the colors together and I was like, this is super cute, like let's do it. And then the yellow kind of looked weird with it. So make sure if you only buy one canvas and you're like, okay, this will work, like the color, make sure to buy two or even more because it might not turn out how you like it. And it wasn't as messy as I thought. It did get super messy on the paper that I was using for the background, but otherwise all I had to do was just wrap that up and throw it away, and it was really, really fun, and it actually looks super cool. So I will be letting these dry for 1 or 2 hours because I really want them to be dry so when I hang them up for the beginning of the video, they will look super cute. So at this part of the video, I thought I would show you guys them dry, so let's get into the cute montage. Woo! Alright you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It means so much. Hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell, so you get notified when I post a new video. And I will see you guys next week. Bye!